Today we are going to discuss Oracle insert statement. Now this is a syntax. Insert a single record using the values keyboard. This we have to use column names. Insert into table column name after close braces after values. In this we have to assign like this. Okay, insert a table. Now we go to example. See here, this is the insert a table. Okay, insert a table name is suppliers ID, supplier ID and supplier name values 50 and name is Flipkart. Now I am going to use select star from where. Okay, this is just before we going to check. See, this is a supplier table, 2 records. Okay, now I am going to insert 2 values. See here, successful inserted or not, we are going to see. There is select star from SUP suppliers. Okay, just enter. See here, Flipkart ID, supplier ID and supplier name. Okay, this way we are inserting insert into table name suppliers columns supplier ID and supplier name values 50 and supplier name Flipkart. Same way we are going to see next example. Okay, Oracle insert example by select statement. Okay, this is a select statement. Now we are going to go up, just go up. Okay, now click here. See here, where is select statement? Select statement. This is a select statement. Okay, select statement. I'm going to just run select statement. Okay, enter. Invalid address. We don't have address in customer table. We have city. Okay, now enter. See here, 4 records it's showing. What we are going to see here, values we are passing. Age 2020, address Delhi. These values we are inserting in supplier table. Now select star from supplier. Suppliers, just enter. See here, there is 3 records. Now I am going to insert. Okay, where is go up? This is the suppliers. Just we are passing 2 columns after using select columns. Select statement having 2 columns. Okay, these 2 columns. Age we are passing to supplier ID, address we are passing to supplier name. Now we are going to enter. Okay, in this customer table we don't have here. Say star FRO from customer. Customers. See here, column name is city. We are going to give here city. Now 4 records are inserted. Now we are going to check where I inserted. Just I am going to minimize where I inserted 4 records in customer table. See here, these 4 records are inserted. Using where condition also we can see 4 records, same 4 records are inserted in supplier table. See here, these all are 4 records inserted. Now this way we are completed insert. Now we are going to check statement. Select count star from customer tables. Total count. Okay. Where age same condition. Here instead of age is given count. Okay. Same way. Here 4 records customer table. Here also we can select. This is also same statement. Here we have COUNT count. See here already it's showing count star. See here 4 records. This way we are completed insert. Okay, insert all. Okay, next video we will see insert all.